Hello and welcome to the Fixit Shed. If you like to save money by doing things yourself, you're going to want to subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss anything. So this week I've got this DR 4-ton electric wood splitter that it's been sitting in the corner of my garage for a couple of years and it hasn't been getting used, so I think it's about time to move it along. But before I do, I want to make a video showing how it works and how to maintain it. So there are a few things that you want to do before you start splitting wood with it. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is check the hydraulic fluid level. And to do that, you remove this bolt here, which is a dipstick. But before you do that, you're going to want to stand it up. Okay, so now we need to loosen the bolt here, which has the dipstick attached to it. So there are two grooves in the bar, one here and one here, and the level of the hydraulic fluid needs to be between that. So it's not going to show up real well on camera, but there's plenty of hydraulic fluid in here, so we're good on the hydraulic fluid. So we're going to put this back in and tighten it up. And now we can return this to its horizontal position. So if you do need to add fluid and the temperature is going to be over 40 degrees Fahrenheit, you can use AW32 hydraulic fluid. If it's going to be below 40 degrees, you can use a Dextron automatic transmission fluid. And then you want to check the sharpness on the wedge and make sure that the overall condition of the splitter is good, that it's not missing any nuts or bolts or anything that holds it together. So now if the point of the wedge has some burrs or flat spots, you can use a metal file like this and just file them away until it has a good sharp edge. This one's in pretty good shape, so I think I'm ready to go. Now we want to lubricate the log ram and the guide rails so that this slides smoothly up and down the rail. So we're going to spray some white lithium grease on here. And I'm going to just use a towel to kind of spread it around a little bit so that it's distributed evenly. Okay, now one last thing that you want to do before you start splitting wood, there's an air bleeder screw down here and you need to loosen that 4 turns. 2, 3, 4. So as you can see in the threads of the screw, there is a cutout that allows the air to flow. Okay, so that bleeder screw is going to remain open during operation to allow air to escape the hydraulic system. Alright, so we're going to plug the log splitter in. And we're going to turn the motor on. Alright, now I'm going to move the ram 3 or 4 times, and that's going to allow the hydraulic system to clear out any air that has accumulated in the system. You do want to make sure that you have your safety gear, so I've got my gloves here, safety glasses, and boots that have a safety toe. Okay, so if the log gets stuck, you can use wedges like this to pry it up. Try it from the other end. There we go. So now that we're done splitting, you want to tighten this bleeder screw back up. So you don't have to over tighten it, just make sure it's good and snug. Alright, and that's how to use this DR 4-ton electric wood splitter. If you enjoyed this video and learned something, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Take care.